Split screen? How? Let's learn it together in CapCut. Split screen aka video collages lets you show multiple clips at once. Let's split screen 3 clips, and this also applies to any amount of clips you want to split screen. And to split screen, we'll have to layer our clips. So in CapCut, we'll just have to use overlay. So go to that clip there and click overlay, and now it's underneath, and we're gonna drag that right underneath our top clip. And a reminder for CapCut, when you overlay and layer at the bottom, it will be at the bottom of this first clip on the top. However, on the playhead, whatever's on the bottom is going to show on the playhead and cover the rest of the clips. And again, with our other clip here, overlay, and just going to drag this down, and now it's covering all the clips. And let's just split screen this, and we'll do it vertically. So I am going to just drag that here and try to do it like that way. And then this one, I'll just do that here, and it's actually not that good when you drag out, but I'll just try to do this my best and give you a few seconds. Yeah, you catch my drift. That's the best I could do. Maybe, okay, let's move that there. But a better way to do this is you could actually just crop your clips, and to do that, you'll just access crop down here. So let's do our first clip here. Let's find crop. And I'm going to do a custom crop here, and I'm just going to move this here, and that's about it. Okay, I'll do that there. And then this guy here, I'll do it again, crop. Let's take that, let's do that. All right. And then here with our cat, crop one more time. All right, and now let's adjust that. See, a lot better. The cropping lets you pick an exact section of your clip within the frame, so you could get the better composition. And now let's do that split screen horizontally, top to down. So again, gonna just use crop. And I don't think I have to custom, I'll just do 16:9 here. So let's do that. Same with the cat, 16:9. And same with the metadating guy. And let's just adjust these on our timeline. Okay, give me a few seconds. Oops. And there you are. And you could also do split screen by also doing a mask. So select our bottom clip and scroll all the way to the right until you see mask. And let's just do horizontal. And look, get the split screen there. Then let's see, we might have to adjust the positioning of this clip. Same with this one. Oh, actually, no, that's not gonna work because that's the top layer, so just the bottom layer. But play that again. And let's play with the mask again, because let's make this diagonal this time. Play from the beginning, and there it is. And you can do it all with the different types of masks too. So let's try mirroring. Yep. Yep, and let's just invert it too, just to try it out. Yep, a weird split screen there. And you can do this with any of the masks down here. That's split screen in CapCut. Learn with me and try it out. Subscribe for more learnings and what should I learn next. And if you want to learn more, watch this video.